Fantastic outside.
Yeah, and cool, especially where you're feeling that breeze coming in from the coast this morning. That wind will continue to churn and pick up more and more in places like Fairfield throughout the weekend. We do have some of that marine layer sneaking into Solano County and into Napa County. As we look ahead hour by hour in Fairfield, you can see as temperatures warm through the 50s this morning. They only get into the 60s midday, likely topping out in the 70s to maybe low 80s at best around 3, 4, 5 o'clock. But look at that wind. See that wind? A steady nearly 20-mile-an-hour wind late today means we get gusts over 30 miles an hour at times, and this is going to be the trend for the weekend and early into the work week as that cooler air begins to settle in to Northern California. We're going to be influenced by this weather system that's to our north. It's going to drag some high-thin clouds across our skies, especially late today and into this evening. It's part of a cool system that's going to bring showers to the Pacific Northwest, maybe even into the Redding, Shasta area by tomorrow and into Monday. We're going to stay dry, but we are going to feel that cooling effect from it. In the Sierra, we're also going to be picking up the winds here as well. It's going to turn gusty today and temperatures will be in the 70s, but look how the temperatures drop tomorrow and especially into Monday. Look at the highs around the Tahoe Basin, only in the 50s. It'll be cooler and it'll be windy as well all the way through Monday. So any plans to head out on those lake waters, just be mindful. You really have to be careful in this kind of weather. The water is going to be very choppy. It'll be sunny today in the valley, just not as warm as yesterday. Upper 80s to maybe low 90s. The farther you are from the delta, the warmer you'll be. It'll still be pretty warm in the foothills. A great day ahead. Mid and upper 80s this afternoon. Mostly sunny in the Sierra, but again, those gusty winds develop late today as temperatures are again in the 70s and 80s this afternoon.